Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, today I bring to you another amazing and very informative video. Today we are talking about iron rich food. We are talking about the foods that are rich in iron, okay? If today is the first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. Like guys, I don't take them for granted, okay? I truly appreciate you all. Okay, let's dive into the video. When your iron is low, iron deficiency, anemia can develop. So some causes could be not consuming enough iron-rich foods, issues with discontinued iron, heavy bleeding, or losing more blood cells, and iron than your body can replace. And situations where your body needs more iron than usual, like during pregnancy or lactation. Some symptoms of iron deficiency include headaches, weakness, dizziness, fatigue, pale skin, and fingernails. If you suspect that you have iron deficiency, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider. They will likely take a blood work to determine if you are in fact anemic, and then coordinate a plan of action that includes dietary intervention, supplementation, or both. There are lots of iron-rich foods, but I will be sharing 7 iron-rich foods in this video, and I will be explaining more about them, okay? Number 1 on my list, white beans. These sleeky beans can be paired well in everything from salads to soup, in addition to high fiber and protein counts. 1 cup of canned white beans are an excellent source of iron since they contain 8 mg of iron, or 40% of the daily value. Even half cup is a great iron-rich option too. Number 2, dark chocolate. 3 ounces of dark chocolate contains approximately 7 mg of iron, or 39% of the daily value. Enjoy dark chocolate on its own, or try dark chocolate covered strawberries, which provide a winning combination of iron and vitamin C to help absorption. Number 3, spinach. Spinach provides many health benefits but very few calories. About 3.5 ounces, which is 100 grams of raw spinach, contain 2.7 mg of iron. Although this is non-hemp iron, which isn't absorbed very well. Number 4, seeds. Sesame seed, flaxseed, pumpkin seeds are rich in iron. 100 grams of pumpkin seeds contain 3.3 mg of iron, while sesame seed contain 4.6 mg and flaxseed contain 5.6 mg of iron. Number 5, nuts. Nuts like cashews and almonds are good source of iron. 100 grams of cashews contain 6.7 mg of iron, and almonds contain around 5.4 mg iron per 100 grams. Nuts are rich in protein, good fats, and several other vitamins and minerals. They may reduce the risk of cancer and heart diseases and help in weight loss. Number 6, oats. According to the USDA, 100 grams of the instant breakfast staple will get nearly 2.2 mg of iron. Since oats are full of fiber, they help lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Number 7, the last on my list, oyster. Seafood can be an excellent substitute for red meat, and oysters are particularly rich in iron. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you've learned one or two things from this video. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video. Please and please kindly subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Subscribe guys, subscription is free. Join the family. You can also use the thanks sticker and you can also join our membership. Okay guys, I love you all so much for all the constant love and support. See you in my next one. Bye. I should fuck her in the Benz.